Hey guys, in this video I will be quickly sharing to you on how you can fix a problem Windows Update error code 0x8008005. Okay, so first on your search tab, go to troubleshoot settings, open it, and for Windows 11, these three options will come up. So click on other troubleshooters, and for Windows Update, click on run. So this may take a while to load. Let's just wait for it until it's done. Once done, these texts will appear on your screen. So here you have to tell your problem so that you will be getting the right help and support that you're needing. Okay, so you're given two options. So whichever problem you're experiencing, just choose either of the two. Once done, you can now close it. And you can do a restart to your computer. Okay, so if it still didn't work, we can try another option. So go again to your search tab and type services, go open it, and this window will come up. So let me just expand it. Let's go to the W section and look for Windows Update. Okay, so once you found it, double click on it and go to properties. And for the startup type, it should say automatic, so we should choose this one. And for service status, it should say running. So once done, you can now click on apply and then click on OK, and then exit this window. Okay, so again, do a restart to your computer. Okay, so to check if it already works, we have to go to settings. You have to go to Windows Update. And once we haven't seen any errors here, then your problem is already fixed and you're good to go. Okay, so if you want to watch videos like this, just please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.